Hi everyone. Okay, today we are learning all about metric conversions. And this is Mrs. Wright speaking. Okay, so first of all, we need to remember the basics, right? So in the middle of our chart, we have units, okay? And then the way we remember all the other names is by this little saying. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Or in other words, KHD. And then we kind of skip the by because it goes with our units, and then DCM. So the K in king stands for kilo. The H in Henry stands for hecto. The D in died stands for deca. The D in drinking stands for deci. The C in chocolate stands for centi. And the M in milk stands for milli. Okay, now if you have a piece of paper, which if you do not have a piece of paper, pause this and go get one because you will need one to work through some of these problems. You will want to write these down on a piece of paper so that you remember them for the rest of the lesson, okay? Okay, so we know that our units are liters, meters, or grams, depending on what we are measuring, right? But our conversions work the same way no matter what our unit is. Okay, so we know that a kilo is 1,000 units. A hecto is 100 units. A deca is 10 units. A deci is 1/10 of a unit. So I'm going to write it as a fraction so it's clear for you guys. And then a centi is 1/100th of a unit. So as a fraction, I would write it like this, 1/100. And a milli is 1,000th of a unit. So as a fraction, I would write it 1/1000. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so let's say we wanted to change a kilogram into a gram. So let's say 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? Okay, so if you notice, gram is just a unit, right? And if we look over here at kilogram, it says a kilogram is 1,000 units. So that would mean a kilogram is 1,000 grams, right? Pretty easy. Okay, so what about 4 kilograms? If 1 kilogram is 1,000 units, then 4 kilograms would have to be 4,000 grams because we just multiply by 1,000. 4,000 grams. Okay, so let's try a different one. What if we had 1 milliliter and we wanted to know how many liters it was equal to? Okay, well, let's look right here at milli, because it's a milliliter. Okay, it says a milliliter is 1,000th of a unit. Okay, so that would mean that a milliliter is 1,000th of a liter. So we'd write it like that. 1 milliliter equals 1,000th of a liter. So what if we had 6 milliliters? Well, 6 milliliters would be 6,000th of a liter. And we can use these little things on our chart to help us. Okay, but what if we have something a little bit harder, like this? Let's say we're trying to convert 7 kilometers into millimeters. Oh my goodness, how are we going to do that? Well, let me show you. This is where our decimal trick comes in. We are going to be using our decimal trick a lot to solve these problems.